Would you believe me if I told you this tiny device could completely transform how you organize, create, study, or even run your small business? Let me show you how. Meet the Phomemo Mini Printer. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to handle a surprising range of tasks. Simply download the Phomemo app to your smartphone, connect via Bluetooth, and you're ready to print. Want to create custom stickers? No problem. Choose from templates in the app or design your own. Just a few taps and watch the image on your screen appear on an easy-to-use sticker. Whether you're organizing your pantry, decorating your journal, or adding a personal touch to your packaging, the possibilities are endless. Plus, no ink cartridges. This printer uses thermal printing, which means it's super budget-friendly. Though it only prints in black and white, you can switch between white label paper, transparent sheets, or even colorful rolls, giving your creations that extra flair. And did I mention it prints in seconds? It's lightweight, rechargeable, and perfect for on-the-go printing. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or someone who just loves a good DIY project, this printer has something for everyone.